Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm doing a maintenance on a Trane XV system here. So I wanted to go ahead and check the capacity and the SEER on this thing and see how it runs. It's only 65 degrees out right now, so I'm not sure the results we're going to get, but it's kind of curious to see what MeasureQuick is going to spec out for it here. This is going to be a ton. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go upstairs to the air handler and get my temp splits and static pressures, things like that. Turn in. Probably got a 21-degree split. Pressures. Suction line 50 degrees, 38-degree evaporator coil, 10 degrees of subcooling, 11 degrees of superheat, 72-degree liquid line, and everything's looking perfect. .72. This is going to be a TAM 9A 36. So TAM 9A 36. Alright, so now I'm going to check the outdoor units, volts and amps, and power factor. Using the Redfish here. Let's grab a line here. We got 7.7 amps. Use some of the terminal caps endings off. Grab our voltage, 243. Capture that. 0.93 power factor, it's not bad. So we've got outdoor unit 0.93, 7 amps, 1731 watts. And let's take a look and see what we get for our SEER. 19 SEER. If you look, 16.5 to 18. So, I mean, I guess it's pretty accurate. Like I said, I mean, I use the static pressure to put the, to input the fan speed, but I'm not 100% confident in that fan speed, the airflow. I'm sorry, not the fan speed, but the airflow. I had about 1100 CFM based on my static pressure in the chart there, so yeah, we'll see. I think it's probably close though. I mean, static pressure is usually pretty well calibrated. So yeah. That's basically everything, all the features of MeasureQuick as far as checking your capacity. We got 38,000 BTUs, 28,000 sensible, 10.5 latent, 17.8 ER, 19.1 SEER. There's our static pressure, 0.72. So yeah, we got a 69.7 return, 45 degrees of supply, dew point 50 degrees, supply dew point is 42, so that looks good. Almost a 24 degree temp split, which looks really good. 1100 CFM airflow. Our outdoor pressures and temperatures look really good as well. 38 degree saturation in the evaporator, 50 degrees suction line, 12 degrees superheat, 10 degrees subcooling. Matter of fact, it's actually a TEV, so let's see, or EXV in these systems. Let's see if that makes a difference. That's 17 plus. Now we change the SEER. Let's see if it actually cleans it any better. 19.7, so it actually went up a little bit more. That's pretty much a full walkthrough of the Trane XV system here. Variable speed. It's a really nice system. And like I said, MeasureQuick definitely seemed to be right on point as far as the actual SEER rating and everything. So other than that, if you have any other questions or comments, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye now.